Hi, welcome to Expertisor Academy. This is Giri, lecturer in physics. In this video, we'll discuss about the prism and the refractive index of prism. Prism and the refractive index of prism. So, a prism is a triangular block of glass or plastic. It is bounded by three plane faces not parallel to each other. Its one face is grounded, which is called base of the prism. The other two phases are polished with which are called refractive phases of the prism. So consider the one prism. In this prism, it contains five phases. Two phases are at top and bottom. These bottom and top phases are in triangular shape. Next, three phases are in surrounding. These three phases are refracting surface. So these three phases, two phases are polished. The angle between the two refracting phases is called angle of prism or refracting angle or apex angle of the prism, represented as A. So this is the prism angle, apex angle of the prism, a refracting angle of the prism. So this refracting angle is 60 degree. So now we'll discuss the derivation of formula for refractive index of a prism. Observe the ray diagram in this figure. Here, this is the prism. Consider the point M and N. Consider the normal lines N1 and N2. The prism angle is A. Here, the light ray is passing through the PQ refracting surface at the point of normal. After that, there is a refraction takes place at M. This refracted light ray passes through the another refracting surface PR. After that, it is passes through in another medium from prism to A. So here I1 is the angle of incidence, I2 is the angle of emergence. R1, R2 are the angle of refractions. The actual path of the incident and the emergent lights are extends. It gets the angle of deviation small d. Here triangle OMN, the deviation angle small d is equal to I1 minus R1 plus 2 plus I2 minus R2. Angle of deviation that is equal to I1 minus R1 plus I2 minus R2. So D is equal to I1 plus I2 minus R1 plus R2. From triangle PMN, from triangle PMN, we have A plus 90 minus R1 plus 90 minus R2, that is equal to 180 degree. From triangle PMN, A plus 90 minus R1 plus 90 minus R2, that is equal to 180 degree. By simplification we get R1 plus R2 that is equal to A. R1 plus R2 that is equal to A. From 1 and 2 equations, D is equal to I1 plus I2 minus A. A plus D is equal to I1 plus I2. This is the relation between angle of incidence, angle of emergence, angle of deviation and angle of prism. From Snell's law, we know that n1 sin I that is equal to n2 sin I. Let n be the refractive index of the prism. Using Snell's law, at n with refractive index of A, n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to n, I is equal to I1, R is equal to R1. Sin I1 that is equal to n sin R1. Similarly, at n, with n1 is equal to n, I is equal to R2, n2 is equal to 1, R is equal to I2. Gives n sin R1 that is equal to n sin I1. We know that angle of minimum deviation T, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of emergence. I1 is equal to I2. So if the angle of incidence that is equal to angle of emergence, the deviation angle is converted into the minimum deviation angle. The deviation angle is converted into minimum deviation angle. So from the relation A plus D is equal to I1 plus I2, so small d minimum deviation is converted into deviation angle small d is converted into minimum deviation capital D. So therefore A plus D that is equal to I1 plus I1. So that gives A plus D is equal to 2I1. So therefore I1 is equal to A plus and D by 2. When I1 is equal to I2, then it is clear that R1 is equal to R2. So that's why the equation R1 plus R2 that is equal to capital A converts into R1 plus R1 that is equal to capital A. 2R1 is equal to A. So therefore R1 is equal to A by 2. R1 is equal to A by 2. So substituting I1 and R1 in equation 4, we get sin A plus D by 2 that is equal to n into sin A by 2. Sin A plus D by 2 that is equal to n into sin A by 2. So therefore n is equal to sin A plus D by 2 divided by sin A by 2. So this is the formula for the refractive index of the prism. So here n is equal to A plus D by 2 sin A by 2. So A is the prism angle, D is the minimum deviation angle. So n is the refractive index of the prism. So in this equation, we discuss the prism and the refractive index of the prism. So simply, the prism is a triangular block. It contains 5 faces, top and bottom faces in triangle form. Surroundings are in the rectangular form. Here, the prism angle is about 60 degrees. Prism angle is about the 60 degrees. So there is a refracting surfaces in prism. So this is about the prism. Refractive index of the prism formula, that is equal to n is equal to sin of A plus D by 2 divided by sin A by 2. So here A is the prism angle, D is the refracted angle, minimum deviation angle. So this is the information about the prism and the refractive index of the prism. So thanks for watching this video. For more videos visit www.expertisoracademy.com. Thank you.